I'm Jennifer Kalidas, the founding engineer at Neutrno. In this demo, I'll be showing the current capabilities of the Neutrno Cloud and the secure update management of IoT devices. Neutrno Cloud is a secure exchange for artifacts related to a specific IoT device. It is a many-to-many exchange in which X number of publishers can share secure artifacts with Y number of subscribers in a secure manner, and subscribers can deploy it. A publisher is usually a device manufacturer or a third-party software vendor, and a subscriber is a health delivery organization, a smart manufacturing enterprise, or any kind of industrial IoT company. So now I'm going to log in as a publisher to release a firmware file for a BeagleBone device. There exists one instance for a publisher, which is controlled by the admin in the organization, and multiple users who can upload or access artifacts based on role-based access management, which is handled by the admin. Now here in the landing page is the dashboard, which currently includes information like remaining storage space, recently uploaded files, announcements which can be made by Neutrno, other publishers or subscribers that this current publisher chooses to follow. In the future, this dashboard will give information on device compliance, breakdown of types of devices for which updates have been securely deployed, the success rate of deployed updates, the number of updates released, security features used, etc. Now, when I go into the Files tab, I will be able to see a couple of already uploaded images, but I'm going to upload a new image just to show the flow. Now here, I'm going to upload a firmware file, which is for a BeagleBone device. Once uploaded, I can now choose the security service I would like to use. And to do that, I will be going into the Share tab, in which the security features are listed here. And I would like to sign this file so that I can release it to the subscriber in a secure manner. So once I click on artifact signing, a .sign file will be automatically generated, which I will be able to see here in a few seconds. Here. So now I can go ahead and share this .sign file with a subscriber of my choice. Now in the future, I will be able to do this automatically, depending on which group of subscribers own which group of devices, so that a very specific firmware update only goes to customers that use that specific device and no one else. So now that I have shared it with the subscriber, I can go ahead and look what the subscriber sees. So I'm gonna log in as a subscriber. Now we are currently working on adding more security services to the cloud, like end-to-end encryption, key management services, etc. Now when I log in as a subscriber, it'll take me to the dashboard, which in the future will give risk intelligence on the devices in the organization, like security posture of devices, their breakdown, device patch status, number of devices secured by day, monthly, quarterly, percentage of devices under different operating systems, the overall security status, the number of devices that are compliant to a specific standard, etc. Under the File tab, I can now view the signed file that was shared by the publisher. Now I would like to deploy this image, and so I will go ahead and choose the secure update management option. Now, as soon as the subscriber clicks on secure update management, a Neutrno campaign management app will pop up. We're still working on integrating that into the Neutrno cloud. So if you see here under the artifacts tab, you will be able to see the .signed file here, which tells that whether it's signed or not. what is the device compatibility. In this case, it's a file for BeagleBone. And then it will also give information on the checksum, the build date, and a few other metadata. Now, under this Artifacts tab, a list of all the artifacts that have been shared with this particular subscriber will pop up here. And under the Devices tab, the device inventory. All the new devices on the network will pop up here, and the admin can authorize it. I've already authorized the devices here. So now I can go ahead and show you how a deployment is created. Currently, we are not able to execute a complete deployment, but in the next couple of weeks, we will be able to deploy the image onto the device. So when I click on Create a Deployment, it gives me the options to choose the artifact. Here I will be choosing the BeagleBone artifact, and I can choose a group. I've already created a group under the name BeagleBone that usually lists all the BeagleBone devices. In this case, there's only one. And then once the device comes online, I should be able to go ahead and create a deployment here. When I click it, and it will show me a successful deployment. We will be showing this demo with the successful deployment later. This can also be automated in order to automatically map the artifacts to the group of devices for executing a secure automated update, in which case the subscriber will not have to specifically choose the artifacts and the group of devices every single time, but they do have the option to go ahead and do it every single time if they choose to. In the upcoming months, the capabilities of the Neutrno Cloud will be expanded to include purchasing control, automated updates, and other security features and services. Thank you.